Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing our chapter Understanding Windows 10 and this is second part. In first part we discussed about a overview of Windows 10 in which I told you about start button, your taskbar and many features of your Windows 10. But this is second part, so today I will told you about some functions in detail. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, Windows taskbar. So the taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop, which is divided into the following sections. You can see this is an image of taskbar, and taskbar is divided into following section. This is the first section, this is second section, and this is third section. In first section you can see there is a start button, a search box. In second section there are some apps, and at the third section there are some notifications. So let's discuss about them one by one. So first one is start button. So start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the start button, a list of options appears. This is called the start menu. So this is your start button. So if we click on start button, so as you can see it will open a start menu, and at the start menu you can see there are many tiles. Some are live tiles, and there are many features like you can access your Windows Store, Maps, Internet Explorer, MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and many more things. And at the left side it is also showing some features or some options like calculator, calendar, camera, etc. And at the bottom there is a search box by which you can search any application, or you can also make an online search with the help of this search box. So this is all about start button and start menu. So next is middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the open program as button. Here you can add commonly used programs such as the Internet Explorer, Word programs, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in a lighter shade with a bar below it. So as you can see, this is your taskbar, and in the middle section there are some open tabs like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and if you will open any other application, so that application will also shown on that area, the middle area. So this is very useful feature whenever we use any application, so we can use them by just on a single click. So next one is notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as the notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the program running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery volume, etc. So as you can see on the taskbar, this is your notification area. On notification area you can see this is the icon of battery, this is icon of Wi-Fi, volume. You can also adjust your date time, and you can also get some other notifications related to your computer or laptop. So this is a very useful feature of Windows 10, which makes it a very strong operating system. Moving the taskbar can be moved to any of the four sides of the desktop. So as you can see, this is your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. So if you want to move it or any of the portion of your screen, so to do this you just have to click on that taskbar with the help of your left mouse button. After clicking on the taskbar, you can move it anywhere on the screen by just dragging. As you can move it at the right side, you can also move it upper side, and you can also move it at the left side. So that is all about taskbar. You can also lock the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar, that means it will not move to any place until you unlock it. So if you are using your desktop or laptop and you don't want to change the position of your taskbar, or any child at your home is using your computer, so you can lock your taskbar. So to lock the taskbar, you just have to right click anywhere on the taskbar. Whenever you right click on the taskbar, it will show you this option. On this option, there are many options that show the desktop, tools, search, but we have to click on the lock the taskbar option. After clicking on this option, your taskbar will be locked at a particular location. You can also lock it at the upper side, right side, or left side, anywhere on the screen. So that is it for today. I hope you like this video. So stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much, students.